In this video we're going to cover how to create an article. The article can be for a venue, a bar, a restaurant, or an entertainer, an artist where they want to have their own profile displayed. And it's really quite easy. Once we've created the account, we just log in and you'll see a new menu appear in the top left, My Profile, and we just click Create Article. Now I'm just going to reduce this in size so it fits in the recording screen. There we go. And I can call this anything I want. And I can only select venues or entertainers. So I'm going to select venues. And then I'm just going to start typing some text here. And you'll see there are various buttons available to me here to edit it, to make the text in bold or score through, create different types of headings and font sizes, etc. The key thing you're going to want to do is create an article with an image. So I'm just going to pull an image here. I use Pixabay for the majority of the images that we use on the website. So I'm just going to copy the image address, pull this back in, and then here click on image and then choose file, and you'll see we have that there. And that's pretty much it. That's automatically created an article for us. We just go in here and edit the text, click on save. Now at this point the article is saved, but it isn't published because to stop people using the website for spamming, we have to approve all the articles that are created. So if we go back to the website now and go to venues, you'll see that the venue isn't there yet because the article wasn't published. But I'm just going to log into the back end now and publish that item. And once it's published, we just refresh the page and you'll see there that the new sample item or article is available. Now one other thing I can do, because I actually created this article using my login, I can log in as myself and view the item and then just click on edit item, and as you can see it comes open for editing, so I can change the image. I can even, if I want to, use a YouTube video. I just put in the video ID here and that will automatically display on the page at the bottom. Once an article is published by the administrator or myself, you can then log in and edit it as many times as you like. So we're going to click save and close. Go back to venues. So you'll see that we created that sample article and it automatically became available in the venues page.